from Kidzi. Welcome back, everybody. Yes, all of us know wetin dey happen inside APC. We know wetin dey happen in Edo State, and we still know wetin Oshomole talk after the judgment of this Imo State review. The one when they do in the Supreme Court yesterday in Abuja concerning Hope Uzodinma and Ihirioha of Imo State. Okay? And the news they tell us say courts already order Oshomole to step aside as APC chairman. But before we dive into the news, make I use this opportunity to thank those of you who don't subscribe before. And for those of you who never subscribe, make una subscribe, make una share, and make sure see una press that bell sign when they there. So that anytime when Funkidi one uploads, una first get my videos. Alright? Make we go into the news jete by jete. This news na news when concern Oshomole, the court, and the APC. Waiting be the fate of Adams Oshomole, the former national chairman of All Progressive Congress, APC. After the after yesterday verdict between Hope Uzodinma and Ihirioha, Oshomole boss come out. Come the nyan say men, say the thing when the court do, not the right. Say who give the court right to impose governor on people of Imo State, or who gave the court right to the impose governors on people in general in that country, or impose president on people in that country. Say not be so court supposed to do. Oshomole Konto say court supposed to make sure say then order the two candidates to prepare for a new election or rerun. But the way when court can use sideline this man, what they call Ihirioha, say it not make any good sense. Make you not forget see Mazen and the Kano don't talk and say make them go do rerun. Funkidi also don't talk and say make them go do rerun because now trouble APC government they bring come to Imo State. Say now crisis APC government and the Supreme Court led by Tanko Muhammad. Say now trouble that they bring come to that state what they call Imo State. Say the best way when they supposed to do one not to do rerun. But finally somebody like Oshomole, this one are the only good thing when Funkidi say Oshomole don't ever nyan. But who know wetin trigger Oshomole to nyan this thing when they go nyan, when they tell Supreme Court say the thing when they do not make any sense. And truly, to the people of Nigeria, the thing not make any good sense because Ihirioha, na him INEC first talk say na him win election. At the end of the day, they conquer and talk say give am to Hope Uzodinma when we say na him come out fourth position. What about this person when come out second position? You know they ask yourself question like that. What about the person when come out third position? Then they come be say now somebody when come from the ruling party APC, na him come out fourth, and na him they can carry the first position give. And him when be the Hope Uzodinma himself don't claim say that election na null and void. Say himself not by the result of the election. But at the end, na him, Tanko Muhammad, see, you see all these northerners, ladies and gentlemen, these people, they are our problem. So Oshomole don't come out now, come talk, see, man, why courts go do like that? Say it dey very, very wrong. The only thing when they're supposed to do not to order for rerun or new election. Anyhow, when you want put on. That's so Oshomole been talk. But after Oshomole don't talk that, ladies and gentlemen, Oshomole don't know say even that same court, the cabals, all of them, they come after him. You know say already Oshomole get serious problem in his home state, not be Edo State. When him with Obaseki, they take the quanta, they throw bomb to each other, they rent thug to they fight each other. They burn secretariat, they destroy secretariat. Only God know where that their problem come from. But from Kidisi, it be like say, now the problem when concern power. Who go control here and who go control this and who be who and who be that. That be their problem. Well, the problem when two of them get, Oshomole and Obaseki. Now, after Oshomole don't tell court this same thing when he tell them yesterday, make you listen to what court tell Oshomole. Court orders Oshomole to step down as APC chairman. The man when be say na him tell Oshomole say make him step down pata. Now that is like then they suspend them now for now on air, pending the time when they go take judge in case. So make we go into the full details. Justice Danlami Sanchi of Abuja High Court on Wednesday, na him come the order Mr. Oshomole to step aside as national chairman of All Progressive Congress. This order, according to the news, this news they come from these days. This order is pending the hearing when they want to look into the sensitive suit, okay, or petition, anyhow we want call them suit. When the APC right, when they want to remove Oshomole from office as the national chairman of All Progressive Congress. So the judge now, or the justice, or the however you put them, the man talk say Oshomole must to step down. But make una not forget say this order not come before, because when I say this their fight, Obaseki fight, all these whole fights, all the whole hurdles when Oshomole don't jump since, all of them they long time, not be today. But as soon as Oshomole make that comment regarding who pose or them man and the Hidioha, now him the slam him with suspension. See, so you don't grow wings rich like that to come out to talk, say waiting me when be Sharia master Tanko Muhammad talk. Say it not make sense. Who give you that right to come out and talk like that, Mr. Oshomole? So for that reason, step aside first. Make we look into your matter. Now they won't bring out all the Oshomole book, knock for table for them. We they come there, ladies and gentlemen. So make we continue. Okay? Justice Sanchi, now be the justice, the man himself, when we say now the other Oshomole now not Tana, because if you see the name, you know say na not a man. Now him give this order in a ruling on the file. You know who filed this thing? People when they claim now say that them send this petition or the or this suit to them. The man named number one man again, another Notana. That man name na Mustafa Salihu and 5 others. Okay, now them talk say Oshomole, now them go file that suit according to what the news they tell us. Talk say Oshomole must to step down himself as the national chairman of APC. Okay, then they challenge Oshomole leadership of this political party, what they call APC. They say Oshomole don't scatter all the whole things. When them they do, they don't talk say under Oshomole, they don't lost a lot of people. They don't lost a lot of people as governor, as chairman, as ministers, as senators because of the problem when Oshomole they give them in All Progressive Congress when be the fake APC people. Oshomole na fake man. From Kidi say the only thing when Oshomole don't do now when I don't see say it talking right. But who know waiting trigger Oshomole to come and come talk that thing yesterday when he take the can't take drop hammer on top in head. This hammer na big hammer on Oshomole head. We know say Oshomole get mouth. We know say Oshomole sabi talk. We know say Oshomole sabi lie. We know say even all the whole APC people, all of them, now the same thing, all of them be bet. Now, I know say before, Oshomole don't tell Nigerian people say he must to reveal. There among people when talk say he must to reveal that man in Aso Rock. Okay, now they done the battle and for sure. Because before, no court in that country don't ever talk say Oshomole must to step down. Or make Oshomole step aside first. Or see them they suspend Oshomole. But now, I think don't get that God to come and tell them say, why una do this thing? Una supposed to do rerun in Imo State. Say court not get right. And true, court not get right to impose governor on people. Court not get right to impose president on people. Jubri, Al-Sudani, they impose the man on Nigerian people. Now, who pose on them man? And a lot of governors in that country impose on people. Now, so Oshomole talk, see, who give them that right? Say they're not supposed to do them, they're supposed to rerun. But now, court don't bounce back. Now, Oshomole from Kidi say, this time around, we won't make you open that your mouth. Now, that your mouth when you take lie before. That your mouth when you take yarn before. Make you open and now tell us who be that person when they inside Aso Rock. Because people don't they wait for you to yarn this way before. People don't they wait for you to come tell us who be that person when you and they dine and wine. Because you don't tell us before, see, you when you Oshomole, you must to open that person when they for Aso Rock. See, if you open your mouth, or heaven and earth go turn upside down, and so you talk before. But now, make you come and come tell us, see, now this person and the inside Aso Rock. So, these northern people, ladies and gentlemen, nothing good they come from them. Now them be the enemy of that country, including this Oshomole. I know they support Oshomole, but waiting, the only thing when I don't see Oshomole, I don't talk since when Oshomole assumed that office as APC national chairman. Now this thing I want to talk regarding Hope Uzodinma and Ihedioha, because Nigerian courts, them they impose governors, ministers, senators, presidents, give people. Anything when Kabas tell them see them go do, them must to do one. Now, make una not forget, see, that man what they call honor him. The same way when they do Oshomole now so they do that man. I know say the first time I say they suspend that man. Suspend. From suspension, I think they sack that man, begin use EFCC, begin use police, begin. Now the same thing now when Oshomole, when go be Oshomole fits. Because for these people to come out because Oshomole talk, say, why could they impose governors? They just bounce, come back, come tell Oshomole, say, now your dossier, they on top of our table. Now we want to talk your matter, make you step down first. This dossier, we must to open up on top your head. So, now him be this one now. Now another battle now for Oshomole. That is why they call him the embattle. Now they call him the embattle APC national chairman. So why? Who give him that guts to talk like that? See, why they can't carry that position, give Hope Uzodinma. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when concerned Oshomole, be that to this one now, breaking news. Oshomole now, they don't suspend them. Suspend now they talk before you know now. Oshomole own. Don't go. Before you know, they begin use EFCC, they begin use police, they begin use DSS, they begin use all kinds of, they will begin deploy, waiting that they deploy against Oshomole. But Oshomole, from Kidisi, this one at the time now for you to come and tell Nigerian people that man when they Aso Rock. That thing when Okorocha no fit talk. Okorocha, I don't tell all of una there. All of una must to hear them. Before this una ten runs down, if una go even succeed read that 2023, I say all of una will hear them from all this northern cabals. Then go unleash hell on all of una. when they there. When no agree, embrace una people. Una, when we say una betray everybody in that country. Una betray una people. I see time they come for Okorocha. Not only Okorocha, all of them when they that Senate House, both former and the president, when we say they're not green yam, they're no waiting day. Look at what that they do to Saraki, Abi Saraki. Look at what they do to the man. They know see we know see Saraki loot money, but not really Saraki loot money. People when loot money, all of them when they there, when be senators, both past and present senators, all of them loot money. All the both past and present governors, all of them loot money. Some of them still they loot and they go, and some continue to the loot and they go. And so the matter be. So it better make we get better person. If I thought this one Nigeria will continue to stand, get better president when we say it will be president for everybody, not be only president for Fulani people. Because Jubri, aka Buhari, now president for the Fulani people. But right now, nobody want one Nigeria. Nobody need that one Nigeria. Now one Nigeria thing because we don't tell them to say all of them na scam. So ladies and gentlemen, now the issue when concerned this man, what they call Oshomola of Edo State. Battle up and down in his home state, problem. Abuja, problem. Anywhere where you go, problem. Oshomola, you go continue to get problem. You go continue to they get problem. The Northerners go unleash hell on you this time around. Because this time around, no way, no how when you want to take escape this rat when they come from your political party. Every day you deal with foreigner. They dine and wine and Asura. Come out, come the light on Nigerian people. I see they go unleash hell. All that your fake legacy. Now, you will not see all the whole thing when you do. At the end of the day, you'll be loser. You understand? One love, everybody. See you next time.